See, I believe that for an enlightened and a happy humanity, there are three combinations. I believe skilled teachers, redefined parents, and also society which can accept challenges and changes. What I mean by skilled teachers are the teachers, with inner resources, talents and skills, visions and dreams, and also with a lot of endurance and patience. Such a group of teachers can definitely make inroads into the lives of the students. And such teachers will have great informations and resources to suggest to the students. And during their studies, I believe these teachers are really the resources where the students can go and approach and to find what can I do after my studies. Normally I have found out that the parents are of different types. Some of the parents are highly educated. Some of the parents really force the students to go according to their way. Students are not able to follow their own wishes and dreams because the parents want them to achieve something which they want. So I suggest that the parents and teachers should really identify the strengths and weaknesses of the students. By identifying the strengths and weaknesses of a student, a skilled teacher and an understanding parent can collaborate themselves and can suggest the students that this is your way. For that they need information. This information must be collected from different sources. And reliable sources, they should collect career informations according to the strength which has been identified already. And then you suggest the students that this is your way. And accordingly, instead of setting a goal, over the years and the days you will find out that the strength of the student is this. So either in science, either in commerce or in humanities, whichever way the student's strength, once it is identified, in that stream you will be able to identify the great career options which are waiting for that particular student. And then by identifying that, the student can be guided that this is your way, please proceed according to that. So that the students can garner and gather informations and materials accordingly, he can really pursue the goal which he really is stronger. So I believe that rather than setting goals earlier, sometimes, if you ask a class 8 student also, you say, I want to become a doctor. But after some time, the student changes the track because the goal is not really, it is prematurely set. So you need to set the goal in a matured way. For that you take time. Then you need to travel with the skilled teachers, like I said, skilled teachers, really understanding parents, and also great career consultants, teachers who are really already experienced in that particular field. You can get these informations, combine this information and make sure that what is waiting for the next generation in a digital era, in a competitive era, students need to identify their strengths. There are plenty of options now in waiting for the students, but it's so important that they need to identify their strength, and accordingly they need to place themselves in that particular field of education or career so they can be excellent. So I suggest and I conclude by saying this, that the students, when they come to class 11 and 12, that is the time where they can really get materials and proceed themselves, identifying the strength, and thereby they can able to find out the real goal, the real career, by which they can really pursue it with a lot of hard work. For that, they really need the support of excellent teachers and parents who really support them in their really. Sometimes it is not always true that everybody should become engineers and everybody should become doctors. There are plenty of challenging careers are in waiting for students who really blessed with the different talents. So it is very important that students need to be guided according to the talents which Almighty had given them. There are in different ways. One is genetically they acquire, another one is they are acquiring from the resources actually. So the combination of both this and really the guidance of people who really support these students to go into the higher levels of life, I really believe that they can really go further and further.